sunglasses. I have my sun hat.
And I've got my sunglasses. I've got sunblock for everybody, both lotion and spray kind. I've got towels for everybody.
Snacks?
So many.
Did you pack my pail and shovel?
How else could we make sandcastles? And I've got the perfect book to help us catch those beach vibes.
Yay! Yay! Vamos a la playa. Oh, 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 oh.
Abuela Bear, you look so beach ready.
And I made a pot of arroz con pollo.
Yellow rice and chicken? For the beach?
Of course! Nothing says beach day like a heavy bowl of rice and chicken. Vamos a la playa. Oh, 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 oh.
Going to the beach. Oh, 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 oh. And immediately we are met with the golden color of sand. And immediately we see a pile of sand. And I see people enjoying the beach. And those two kids, see them? They're making a sandcastle. It's one of those pails that has a castle mold.
Wait a minute. Why is this story called The Squish?
You know what? Let's not get ahead of ourselves.
Hello, world. Here I am.
And he's perfect. He even has a flag. This sandcastle is even crab approved.
Yes.
What's that?
No! He's too close!
Are you ready to eat? No, we just got here. Okay. And that kid is too close. Dun, dun, dun!
What just happened to me?
2 words. The Squish.
Krabby is mad, and so am I.
That kid squished him and just ran off. Arroz con pollo would make everybody feel better.
That felt awful. I can't ever let that happen again.
Not that it was Sandcastle's fault, but it does look like Sandcastle is coming up with some kind of a plan, maybe? And he's got Krabby standing by or on top of them.
I've got you.
I've gotta
pick myself up.
Yes,
dust myself off. And be on the lookout. Nothing will get me now. And oh no, it was an accident.
He's lost his head.
And Krabby is very upset.
So am I.
There goes my head. I should have seen that coming. But it's okay. This time I'll do better. I've just gotta be bigger and taller and stronger. Pa-pa-da-pa-pa-pa. Rebuild. Yes, we will rebuild.
We should probably celebrate with arroz con pollo. Oh, rebuild
so I'll never get squished again!
This is very impressive. And there is Krabby planting the flag on top of the new and extremely impressive tower.
Now we're back in business!
Nothing can squish us now. Oh, no.
Seriously? Well, no. I feel like such a failure.
No, not the F word.
Failure. I should just stay this way forever.
Wait, hold up here. Do you think that the sandcastle is a failure?
No, it's not his fault.
No, it was first that careless kid.
Yeah, I stepped on him. And then it was the frisbee, but that was an accident. And then the rain came, and that's just an act of nature.
But I get it. When you're feeling squished, you just feel squished.
Wait, that's it. I'm a genius. I'll stay this way forever. Nothing can squish me if I'm already squished, right? I don't know about that. I mean, that kind of sounds like giving up.
Hey, look, they're building another sandcastle over there. That might be a good sign. A sign of high tide coming in.
Seriously? Whoa! Why do I even try? Oh, hold me! I'm holding you. When the world is out to get us.
Hey, where did you come from?
Sandcastle number 1 meet Sandcastle number 2.
And they each have their own crabby pal.
Oh, this is your first squish, isn't it? I'm sorry, I know it hurts. It's hard to admit this, but... Hold up there! I think that Sandcastle number 2 has a rebuilding idea. I'm hurting too. I'm here. You don't have to be alone.
And it looks like Krabby from Sandcastle number 1 is saying, hey, come on over here, you guys. And then the crabs from Sandcastle number 2 are all like, hey, let's all get together. We're joining forces. Let's go, team.
Wow, we really don't have to be alone, do we? No, you have family and good crabby friends.
I thought it was just me, but we've all been squished. Haven't we?
Yeah, it happens to all of us. And we didn't deserve what happened to us, did we?
Of course you didn't deserve it, but sometimes it happens. Somebody is careless and accidentally hurts us.
Like that kid.
Or sometimes accidents happen.
Like the Frisbee incident.
Or we get knocked around by a storm. That's just life. But now what?
I mean, I know it's impossible to stop all the squishes.
So true.
And I know we can't just get over what happened to us, but maybe... Are you thinking what I'm thinking? Rebuild! 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 Rebuild!
Rebuild! And then we eat! And the crabs are all celebrating and getting their flags ready!
Let's pick ourselves up,
dust ourselves off,
and weather everything life throws at us. Together! Hello, world! Here we are!
We rebuild with a little help from our crabs.
It takes teamwork to make the dream work. That's right, Dr. Dinosaur. And you never give up.
Because getting squished happens, but you don't stay squished. And now it's time to eat!
Yummy!